Hey there, iPhone users! Today I'm diving into one of the most common questions. Can an iPhone battery be replaced? The short answer is absolutely. But there's a bit more to it than just a simple swap. First off, if your iPhone's battery life feels like it's just not cutting it anymore, it's a good idea to check the battery health in your settings. Go to Settings Battery, then Battery Health. If the maximum capacity is below 80%, it's probably time for a new battery. Now you might be wondering, can I do this myself? Technically, yes, but I'd advise against it unless you're pretty tech-savvy. iPhones are tightly packed with components and it's easy to damage something. Plus, using non-genuine parts can void your warranty. So, what's the best option? Apple offers a battery replacement service, and it's honestly the safest way to go. You can either mail your phone in or take it to an Apple store or an authorized service provider. They'll use genuine parts and have the expertise to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you're out of warranty, Apple charges a fee, but it's often worth it for the peace of mind. There are also third-party repair shops that offer battery replacements, which can be cheaper. Just make sure they use genuine or high-quality parts. In summary, yes, your iPhone battery can be replaced. If you're confident with tools and careful, you might handle it yourself, but generally, letting the pros take care of it is the best route. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tech talk. See you next time.